Hey backers, I'm Nate Shaw.
And I'm Cameron Slade.
And this is the Next Shift.
It's the world's first ever luxury focus device with programmed magnetic technology.
So it's a three-piece design, dock, cartridge, and a node. The dock is perfectly designed to fit in the hand and it houses all the pieces with precision. The cartridge slides back and forth through the dock with intentional sensory clicks.
And the node rides the magnetic surface built directly into the cartridge.
The magnetic field guides your thumb through a tactile path, giving you a complete mindful experience.
In essence, this product is about focus rather than fidget.
So the magic you don't see is our Separtech technology. It's the core science behind all of this. These aren't your average magnets. Within each cartridge is a magnet designed with a specific personality. These magnetic profiles stay locked in permanently.
Essentially, every ridge, every click you feel, every path is a magnetic field that we program precisely where it needs to be.
No batteries, no electronics, just pure physical magnetic energy.
So for Kickstarter, we engineered the Next Shift with 3 different series, 3 different metals, and 4 different colors.
One of the premium features is our swappable cartridges. That idea came from our love of Nintendo. The idea to be able to swap cartridges and that gaming experience never had to stop is a beautiful thing, and that's why we built it that way.
We started by collaborating with the company that makes the magnetizer, and they told us that the magnets we wanted made couldn't be done. So we did it anyway. We bought our own R&D unit, we wrote our own software from the ground up.
We tested time and time again until we got it right. We brought everything in-house. The anodizing, the lasering, the assembly.
The magnets, all of it's in-house now here in Logan, Utah. So we've gone over version after version after version to make sure that this is the highest quality that we can give.
Yeah, we had countless prototypes just to get the weight right, the clicks, the magnetic mapping, the feel in your hand. The way they slid together, like all of it had to be a premium experience for you.
This is the next evolution of haptic focus. This is the Next Shift.
Back in today on Kickstarter.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.